You call it an application. But what it really is your business, your profit center, your brand, your good name, customer goodwill, your future. Never has how you structure the network that delivers your application been so important. Not as companies rely more and more on applications to increase productivity and reduce the cost of doing business. Not as your employees and business partners require even greater access just to conduct normal business. And who knows where voice over IP, web services, changing regulatory requirements, and an increasingly mobile workforce may take us. This is the time to ask, are you creating a network or a patchwork? Where will the decisions you make now leave you in 3 years? Is your network adaptable enough, intelligent enough to handle change? Does it have security that goes beyond a firewall? Just how do you protect yourself from network failures and disasters? The answer isn't more boxes, more complexity, more single-point solutions, or asking even more of your servers. It's to be found at the critical juncture where your application connects with the network itself, where all the application optimization, availability, and security you need is integrated in a cohesive architecture. It's application traffic management as only F5 provides it. A solution that goes far beyond just routing web traffic to the most available server. It's based on F5's application traffic management architecture that not only improves the delivery of applications, but makes the application itself run better and faster. That creates intelligent interaction so your application and the network can literally work as one. It's an integrated system of hardware and software you can easily adapt and readapt to your needs, no matter how they grow or change, no matter what the application or how global you are in scope. The architecture includes an open API called iControl, a common language that allows F5 devices to communicate with each other and with other network devices and applications, so they can collaborate with each other to automatically take whatever action is needed to deliver your application exactly as intended, protecting it from security threats, network failures, and traffic congestion. All based on business policies you set, so you have a level of control otherwise impossible. It's application traffic management designed for real needs in the real world, where failure is not an option. That means managing global traffic between multiple data centers with our Big IP Global Traffic Manager, so that traffic is directed to the best performing site. And should there be a disaster or a problem with the data center, seamless failover is automatic. Lose your link to the outside and the impact is immediate. So our Big IP Link Controller makes it easy to manage links with multiple ISPs, without the aggravation of trying to coordinate providers. The best link is automatically chosen based on performance, quality of service, and/or lowest cost. And with flawless failover, it's protection you can trust. What about keeping your employees connected? Today, while you may be out of the office, you can't afford to be out of touch. Our FirePass controller uses SSL VPN technology to give employees and business partners secure remote access to your applications from anywhere without the limitations and complexity of IPsec, while giving you complete control over who gets access and on what terms. At the application level, our Big IP Local Traffic Manager is aware of everything contained in the traffic going to and coming from the applications, allowing us to accelerate application performance by decrypting, inspecting, and directing every transaction based on policies you set. That includes the ability to identify cyber attacks and automatically respond to security threats. No one can do more to improve the delivery and level of performance of your application. Maybe that's why Microsoft and Oracle integrate with F5 and use F5 solutions for their own infrastructure needs. Optimization, performance, security, adaptable to however you grow or change. That's the F5 approach. It's how Intercontinental Hotels was able to go, in short order, from $1 million in bookings a month to over $10 million a month, without having to worry about the availability, scale, and security of their system. How Amena in Spain can offer over 7 million wireless phone users video games, TV programs, music, internet, and email access, and other services with the highest availability, even during peak hours. It's how Tokyo Broadcasting System's website could quickly expand their server pool and go from handling 50 million page views a day to handling over 90 million page views during a national election. How one of the most computerized health systems in the United States can give doctors and hospitals hundreds of miles apart secure access to patient records, medical information, X-rays, and CT scans. How MSNBC.com, during the greatest skating controversy of all time during a Winter Olympics, could handle 74 million page views in one day and 1 gigabit per second of sustained traffic. And why over 6,000 leading organizations around the world have chosen F5.